We're running a live 60-second signal session on Olymp Trade using the PipGems signals. Right now, we're getting some solid setups from PipGems, and this method works well on the normal currency pairs, the non-OTC ones. Here comes our first signal, Euro-AUSD, down signal. The PipGems AI has just alerted us. Let's not hesitate. We head over to Olymp Trade, open Euro-AUSD, and place our trade going down. The PipGems signal shows our open trade is closing green. There it goes. The trade closed green. Now we wait for the next signal to pop up. You can see the trades here, both the good ones and the ones that don't work out. But notice how the good outcomes clearly outnumber the losses. Euro-AUSD, USD-JPY, AUSD-JPY, and so on. Let's wait for the next one. Euro-JPY, down signal. Our trade is now open, and we wait for the result. It's a 50-50 situation here. We're hoping this setup performs well. And there it is. Euro-JPY closes green. Here comes another signal. USD-JPY, down signal. Looking at this, it's a nice position to trade going down. Let's go and trade down on it. And there it goes. That one closed green. USD-JPY, down signal. We trade down on it. And the setup plays out nicely. Watch the rest of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe with us for more trading strategies like this one. Just a reminder, only trade what you can afford to lose. Past results don't guarantee future results.